Affirmations for self-confidence for women. I am strong, capable, and confident. I trust myself to make the best decisions. I radiate self-confidence and inner strength. My voice matters, and I deserve to be heard. I embrace my uniqueness and celebrate my individuality. I am worthy of love, respect, and success. I choose to let go of self-doubt and embrace self-love. I am fearless in pursuing my dreams. I believe in myself and my abilities. I deserve every opportunity that comes my way. I am enough just as I am. My potential is limitless, and I honor it. I am proud of the woman I am becoming. I inspire others with my confidence and grace. I attract positive energy and opportunities. I release the fear of failure and trust in my journey. My confidence grows stronger every day. I am beautiful, inside and out. I have the power to create the life I desire. I am the architect of my own happiness. My self-worth is not defined by others' opinions. I am resilient and rise above challenges with ease. I deserve to occupy space and speak my truth. I am brave enough to take risks and succeed. I honor my talents and share them with the world. My confidence inspires others to believe in themselves. I am aligned with my purpose and live authentically. I trust the process of growth and transformation. I am proud of my progress, no matter how small. I have the power to create positive change. I value my time, energy, and boundaries. I am worthy of respect and kindness. My confidence opens doors to new possibilities. I choose self-love over self-criticism. I am deserving of all the good that life has to offer. I let go of perfection and embrace my authenticity. I am intelligent, creative, and resourceful. I am not afraid to stand out and shine. My courage grows stronger with every step I take. I'm grateful for my unique gifts and abilities. I choose to see challenges as opportunities for growth. I am worthy of achieving my goals. I release comparison and embrace my journey. I am proud of my achievements and celebrate them fully. I believe in my ability to overcome any obstacle. I attract people who uplift and support me. I trust myself to handle any situation with grace. I am confident in my body and the way I carry myself. I am deserving of love and meaningful connections. I embrace change as a pathway to growth.